You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals -18. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Combine like terms. Group all n terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 5/3n from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is n equals -18.